Good morning, everyone. My name is Prakash from BBA AQ first semester, and today I am here to give a presentation on Henry Fayol 14 Principles of Management. So he is the father of modern management, and the first one is division of work. The work should be divided into small parts, and each parts will assign to all the individual employee who according to his or her ability. And second one is authority and responsibility. According to this principle, when a particular individual give a particular work when work, then he is considered responsible for the result. And third one is discipline. Discipline means follow the rules and regulation of the organization. It helps employee work properly in the organization. And fourth one is unity of command. It means that a person should get order from only one superior. When any employee get order from more than one superior, then it create a conflict. And fifth one is unity of direction. According to this principle, there should be one head and one plan for group activities having the same objectives. So what sixth one is subordination of individual interest to general interest. According to this principle, the interest of organization should take priority over the interest of any one individual employee. And the seventh one is remuneration of employee. Remuneration of employee means according to employee performance, he or she should get remuneration from the managers. And eighth one is centralization and decentralization. Centralization reserve decision making at power top level, and while decentralization distributes the decision making at every level. And ninth one is scalar chain. According to this principle, there should be communication from top to bottom. And tenth one is order. According to this principle, there should be a proper place of everything and everyone, right thing at right place at right time. And 12th one is stability of personnel. Fayol said that the employer should be kept in the position for reasonable time to show his stability. And 13th one is initiative. According to this principle, workers should encourage and should be given an opportunity to take initiative and making executive plan. And the last one is spirit and decops. According to this principle, management should promote a team spirit. I should be replaced with we. So in I should be replaced with we in all conversation. So this is the 14th principle of Henry Fayol. And the last one is summary. Henry Fayol developed 14 principles that provide a strong foundation for management. This principle focuses on improving efficiency, teamwork, and frames organization. That's all from my side. Thank you.